Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car you've got full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, you get a black roof, tinted rear windows, and there's also front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 13,000 miles and is packed full of some great safety features. There's blind spot detection, speed limit recognition, lane positioning assistance, and the car can also call the emergency services in the event of an accident. But if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.